But yeah, check out Walmart closeout jewelry. It's a pretty decent price right now. Found this at Walmart today. It was on sale for $4. I'm in Walmart and I came to the jewelry department here and I found a couple of things. Look at this, $4 marked down. Here's a chunky chain. And I thought, you know what? I think we can play around with this and come up with something slightly different. No returning it now. I was actually surprised they had some chunky jewelry. I wish the lobster clasp was larger, but it is what it is. Obviously, it's a necklace, but it's not going to be a necklace when we're done with it. Nope. Thinking about using this section from here to here. How long does that measure? From here to here is about 8 inches. With chunky chain, 8 inches is more like 7.5 inches when you wrap it around. So I'm going to disconnect here and here. We'll see how hard that is to do. We'll find out. Let's see how hard this is to open. So this oval jump ring can open here. It's not easy. It's pretty heavy metal. Didn't get it open enough. I'd have to bring out some other tools. Okay, I hope it doesn't break. There, got it loose, but I need this. So set that aside. It does like to get cattywampus on me. And let's undo this, oh no, let's undo this one right here. Give it a good pull. Get this out, not quite. Normally you would push jump rings side by side, but in this case I really feel like I need to go. Gosh, still not open. I don't think they're going to go side by side in this case. Oh, I don't want to break that. I do need that jump ring. As you can see, you have to get it in the right position. Maybe that's why it was on sale. Maybe. All right, that's going to go there, and that's going to go there. And what kind of clasp are we going to put on this? Well, we have some chain left here. Let's go ahead and open this up. Now this I will attempt to open this. Ooh, I'll attempt to open it sideways. Oh my gosh, I had no idea this was going to be so hard to open. I really don't want to scratch this, so let's try again. I wish I had 2 of the flat nose. That would be helpful. Oh, I am pulling. I can push and pull. Oh my gosh. That was hard to do. So this is not for the faint of hands. All right, let's put this jump ring back on and go ahead and slip this one in here just in case I have difficulty, and close it up. I bet it's easier to close than open. You know, it doesn't want to go back together very well. It's got a big separation there. Wasn't expecting that either. Normally you would get a hold of these. You can see how it's hard to get a hold of. Let's go to plan B. That is not closing up like I would like it to. And I'm not sure if it's going to close up enough that this jump ring, I'm not sure it's going to close up enough that this jump ring won't come out. Try one more time. I'm scratching it just a little bit. It's not closing as well as I would like. I'm just going to give up on this loop here. I'm going to give up on it. You know, I get these ideas, but executing them is another story sometimes. Let's see about slipping this lobster clasp that came with it. Slip it onto that link. Wish me luck closing it up. I might need all the luck I can get on this project. I'm going to switch this around. I'm going to put this in my right hand. I have a little grippy pad here. I'm going to put this on this ring if I can. You may not be able to see this very well, but I'm going to put it on the ring to grip and protect and see if I can get that closed up. Yeah, I think part of the problem is this tool here. I could use, instead of this one, I could use 2 of these. I don't think I have another one. All right, let's get this closed up. Get a little pinch. Now we need to get a ring, a jump ring. This could be closed a little better. That's better. We need a jump ring on this end to be able to hook into. So I'm going to take another one off of here, and I'm going to use my little piece of grippy. Okay, got it open. Slip it on here. I know some people dip their tools into some kind of rubberized stuff. I don't have any of that. Did we do it? Do we have a bracelet now from the necklace? Yes, we do. We have a bracelet. And from these, what do you think I'm gonna do? What do you think? I think we need some earrings. Now, those are really long earrings, aren't they now? Yes, Chunky Joy is in, so maybe those would be just fine. They are chunky. I don't think I need 2 loops though. 2 loops or 1 loop? That is the question. Or make 2 pairs of earrings and just have a loop be like this. It's hard to decide. Let's see what this looks like on the bracelet pillow. Not going to show all of it, of course, but I'd say that's a nice chunky bracelet, wouldn't you? I've decided to make 2 pairs of earrings with just 1 loop per pair, so I'm going to take these off. And I know once I take them off, there's no putting them back on. I think I'll leave 1 link of chain on per earring. Where's that little grippy? The grippy's helping a lot, actually. I know it makes it harder for you to see what I'm doing, but it actually does help a lot. So we need to get some loops on these, and I'm going to use this little piece of what I call grippy to again hold this, close this up. So we have 4 earrings with 1 link of chain per earring. I'm going to put the opening of the link towards the earring itself. And then I have some wire, some 20 gauge wire. Therese isn't even around anymore, they're out of business. And I need to cut a length of this to make my ear wires. Move this over. I'm thinking that's a pretty long ear wire. Let's go with 3 inches. Use the flush cutters. Measure out another length to match. And we need 2 pair. Mark gave me this little tool to straighten my wire. I found out that I was using it wrong. I said, I don't like this thing. And he's like, well, let me show you how to use it. I was running it through in between here the wire, but you actually just kind of go like this. Keep it on the spool, it helps. So you have something to hold on to and just straighten it. If you like this video, give it a like, comment, and if you haven't done so, please subscribe. I probably have it longer than what I need it to be. I don't know if they still make these or not, but if I can find it, I'll put a link for it in the description below this video. You know, some of these tools we've had for a long time. All right, I'm cutting this and cut 1 more. Got 4 pieces of 20 gauge wire, gold plated wire to make ear wires. It's been a very long time since I've marked my round nose pliers with any kind of marking point with a marker to know where I want to make my loop. But I want to make it at about the 3 millimeter mark. So I've got this digital, I don't know if you can see it here, it says 3.85 right now. That's 2.67, go a little lower, that's 3.05, just moving it down, that's 3.10, 2.95, I'd say it's a tad lower, okay, 2.99, I got it. So as long as I don't lose that, I should have taken my cap off of my pen first. Oh my gosh, can you believe that? Didn't have my pen ready. Thought to do this again So now that it's ready, let's do this again. I need 3 hands. That's what I need, 3 hands. 2.94, 3.01. That's pretty good. Now I have my pen ready. Is it going to work? Yes. Okay. These are short, so I had to go in a little further. Can you see the little mark? So I'm going to take a piece of my wire and line it up with this little mark that I made right there. And that's where I'm going to start because I want all of these to be consistent. And I'm just going to bend this back a little bit and close it up, again using my mark as a guide. Actually bend it back a little more, right? Nice little loop. Decide which tool you want to work with as far as has a round part where you can wrap it around a Sharpie pen or whatever you want to. Actually, I'm going to go on the medium one and the medium part. And then just start wrapping this around. Just kind of push your wire down and around so it's pretty much touching. I decided to go a little bit larger with these because the components are fairly large. And I've got 2 nicely shaped ear wires. I want to file this a little bit on the end. I'm going to use this to file the ear wire, and you've probably never seen one of these before. It's because it's a combination of 2 things. It's a micro engraver that is battery operated, and a wire rounder that we purchased just for the tip of it, this tip. So this tip came from here, and this came from here. And if I can find these, I'll put a link in the description below the video because I really like that this is battery operated. I'm really shocked that someone hasn't come up with this idea by now and made it battery operated. If you don't like going to the dentist, turn up the music or cover your ears. Actually, I'll go ahead and play some music. I gave you an idea what it sounds like, how loud it is. Okay, hope that didn't hurt your ears too much. Okay, let's line these up. Line them up. You know, they're in separate ears, so it's not like they have to be 100,000% perfect, but I'm going to give it a little bend, just a little bend on this back side here. Slight little bend, like so. I have some gold jump rings here, gold plated. Close this up. Make sure the jump ring itself is closed all the way. Make sure the loop is closed all the way. And I guess you could wear these this direction, or they could possibly go this direction. Either way, they keep turning. So there's one earring. And this little jump ring. You can find a link for this below the video. In case you're interested in one of those, it's very handy. Remember, I said I'm putting this ear wire on the jump ring.
If only I could finish something, run straight through to the end, close the chapter dignified. Dang girl, you did it again. But will it ever be enough when I'm bent on trying to keep it tough?
Decided to add an extension chain to the bracelet using what's left of the necklace. I'm not going to add the chain links. But I am rethinking this. I have these 2 links left, and I'm rethinking this. I think I'm going to add the links on because they're heavier. Instead of the fine chain, I'm going to add the last 2 Oh, what do we want for this? We want that little grippy. What do I do with it? It was really helping, so I'm going to use it again. I don't care how goofy it looks. It helped. Let's open this up. Had to pull towards me on that one to get it open. Slip this on. Get a grip. And no, you can't see what I'm doing, but I'm basically just closing this jump ring. Just close that up, that's all I did. So if you ever have trouble with things slipping, you know, this is just that waffle stuff, you know, that this waffle stuff, it could be a drawer liner, and it was very helpful. So now we have this as the extension chain instead of this really fine chain, which came with it. So when it's all said and done, what do we have here? There's the bracelet, 2 pairs of earrings. You'll find a bracelet and earring set in our eBay store, Avante Avenue. The link is in the description below this video. And then there'll be a separate listing for 1 pair of the earrings.
Maybe you could settle down, happy with the way it is now.
And that's all I have left from the $6 Walmart necklace. But yeah, check out Walmart closeout jewelry. It's pretty decent price right now. This video is not sponsored. Not sponsored by Walmart. And they might still have some of these, you never know. So go find yourself some and have fun. Thanks for watching. I'm Vicki with Avante Jewelry, and Mark and I will see you soon. We really will be on camera eventually. We've just been so busy. Sure to subscribe.